Hello dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start first with the British pound versus US dollar. Based on the 12-hour and 8-hour time frame, I found that we got a bullish divergence, very clear bullish divergence in momentum. We got this downswing here. With this momentum, the second downswing provided a much less volume here, and we got a bull divergence and extreme reading here on the higher degrees. Again, this is a 12-hour time frame, so it's a pretty high time frame degree. Anyway, I can expect the price to try to rotate in the next period towards a recent swing high on this time frame at 1.3125, and eventually to try to go towards this falling 12-hour mean and maybe even recent swing high at 1.3190. So from my perspective, my advice will be to watch for the short term, to watch for buying opportunities on the dips using the intraday time frames with the targets at 1.3125 and 1.3190. Speaking of the gold market, I really don't see any divergence, even on the lower frames or so, something that will stop at this stage the gold to go further downside. After we reach climax at 2070, we got a strong sell-off, from that point, and basically market did some consolidation here and got a downside break, which basically just confirmed further bearish movement. From my perspective, gold can try to revisit 1897 and 1885. My advice is to watch for selling opportunities using the lower time frames, intraday time frames, can be 30-minute, hourly, or 2-hour time frames, and watch carefully for selling on the rallies or selling on some kind of the continuational bear patterns. Crude oil is a very similar thing like to the gold. We can see basically markets got strong sell-off, consolidation for a bit, and then a downside break. Crude oil is heading towards the 91 level, 91.50, and we got a cluster of the lows around 88.60 in 90 level as well. So I can see also price to go for a lower. Watching the lower frames, bear continuational patterns and rallies can be a nice idea based on this condition. And speaking of the Bitcoin, we're still building this symmetrical triangle here. Maybe it will take for another days or so in order to fulfill even more on the right side this triangle, but definitely this is in a side-basing mode, waiting for the breakout, and it can take a while for this that we create and complete this symmetrical triangle. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a nice day, trade safe as always, and see you next morning.